Welcome to Zambales! Andito tayo ngayon sa San Antonio, Pundakit. Dito tayo ngayon sa Zambales. Ito ang ating lugar for today. Ang lugar nila mother. So yan ang kanilang lugar dito sa Zambales. Go Pia, go! Go Pia, go! Go Pia, go! Good job! From Moana.
Other one first. Other one first. So many sand.
I know, right? Wow!
It's strange, eh? Only we have to enjoy, eh?
Yeah.
No, it's
Not always like this.
We have lucky, eh? Good sun, no people.
Yeah.
On summer, this is full.
We're full.
Yeah.
Oh.
Alam mo kami, doon kami nag-stop sa gitna.
Yeah.
Ayaw niya dito.
Kasi nga maraming tao.
You hold mommy.
Come on, Piang.
No, I just put on her. Oh, I know. Oh, there, wait. Wait, Pico.
Marunong yan, ma. Marunong sila.
Marunong mga yan.
Huwag lang masyado malayo.
Ajay, huwag masyado malayo. Abot pa rito, abot pa.
Kaya abot ka pag yan.
Abot pa rito, ganyan o.
If Rico can still stand, it's okay. Okay, we go there.
Go, Pia, go!
Come on, come.
Yeah. Go, Pia, go! Wow, so big!
Wave is
Gusto nila mga waves eh. Sa kamote sa walang waves ba?
wala.
Gusto nila mga waves.
Yun, di kasi bahay
Yeah.
ng bahay.
Surfing eh.
Well,
Mahilig sila sa waves. Hey, it's too deep there already. It's too deep. Ano ka?
Hindi.
Hindi pa? Why it looks deep here already? Hey, not so deep. I don't like it.
Makakapagbabad.
Ganya. At least, natapos na natin itong anawan.
Tingnan nyo rin yung kapon.
Kaponis, di ba sabi?
Susunod.
Kaponis. Pag kaponis, naalala ko mo eh. Anawangin sa kakaponis. Ano yung isa pa? Kamara.
Hold my bag. Go, come.
Ayoko. Lalim.
They can stand. Kahit si Rico, kaya niya. Si Patricia, she's standing. Come.
Yee!
Oh.
It's too deep eh. Pag may alo naman, matatarantan
Come.
ako.
Hold me na.
Ayoko.
Hold my bag. See?
You see, look at that island though. Looks like a dog. There or a monkey.
Gorilla.
Diba, no? No, you see that? You see it, kuya, ate? Look at that island. Looks like a dog or a face of a monkey.
It looks like a sheep.
A sheep. Sheep daw. A face of a sheep, na?
But we gotta go down.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Tsura mo? You look like the sheep, Pia. Hi, Pia! Hey, jumping in! Go! What's that? You like here? You like the waves?
Yeah,
Where's the eyes, the nose?
in the middle is the eyes, there's the ears, and there's the wool from the sheep, and there's the nose.
What does it look like?
It looks like a sheep.
A sheep? Or a face of a monkey? A face of a gorilla?
Don't drop.
I saw 5.
Yeah?
Oh, so five. Capones Island. We're in Capones. Woo.
Daddy, please. I like the shoes.
You like this too? There's fishes, kuya.
Yeah, many.
Many.
It's like a fish kingdom.
Fish kingdom.
It's my first time using these shoes.
You like it? Huh?
It's harder.
It's harder.
I cannot move my feet properly.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Where's ate?
And I can't even walk properly. It's forcing me to swim.
Yeah?
Walk. Yeah, pushing me. I can't even walk properly.
You swim here, ate. 1, 2, 3.
This right?
So deep already.
Hi, Mommy.
Swim! Go, kuya, swim!
What?
Deep
I saw shells.
shells?
Yeah.
Where? Many there?
Lots of fish.
Lot?
Ah, yes.
Ayun, dito mama, ka-swimming ka dito.
Rico, I have a mask. I have one Google. It's my.
What?
There's one more goggle bigger if you want.
My bag.
You want?
There's my goggle.
It's with Tito Rico.
Look at the fishes. Go.
Meron pa isang bag, meron pa isang kaba.
Okay na ako, nakita ko na.
Ha?
Okay na, nakalag. May bato ng gold.
Let's go check the fishes.
I want to go. And I want.
Oh.
Go, check the fish. Check it.
I'm gonna dive now. Watch me. Just kidding. I'm doing now a backflip. Watch
You okay?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Bye, mommy. I'm excited.
Oh! Hey,
Hindi malalim dito.
Mommy, I saw so many fishes.
Yeah? Yeah, there with Mark. Si Mark muna.
It was 1,000, Mommy.
Really? So many? so good, Ate. You're so good, Ate. Look, Ate. Look, Ate. Ate, look. You know, when we were here last time with Papu, you were there, and Ate with your yellow life vest.
Yeah, yellow light.
I don't remember.
No, you are not yet there, Pia. Only Ate and Kuya. I don't remember, of course, you're not there. Kamara Island. Yes. Look at that. You can walk from there to there. To there.
I think I need life vest on.
You like your life vest on? Yeah. Let's go under the cave again. Come here under the cave, Kuya. Wow. Pusing mo.